Assalamualaikum. How are you? Are you fine?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready for fruits?
Yes.
Today I will tell you the fruits name. Do you like the fruits?
Yes.
Yummy, yummy.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Which fruit is this? This color is red color. Do you like? What is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good. Put there. Good. Put there. Very good. Okay. Which fruit is this? Do you like this one?
Apple.
Apple. Do you like?
Yes.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
To my tummy, tummy.
To my tummy, tummy.
Put there. Take it. Put there. Good. Very good. Next fruit is melon. Which is this?
Melon.
Melon color is yellow color. Melon color is?
Yellow color.
Good. Take it and put there. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Good. Now next is blueberry. Which is this?
Blueberry.
Good. Put there. There. Yes. Good. Okay. Next is grapes.
Grape.
Do you like the grapes?
Yes.
Good. Grapes color is green color.
Grape color
Take
is
it.
green color.
Good. And put there. Good. Okay. Now next is mango. Yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy, tummy. Mango. Mango. I like mango. Okay. Good. Now next is, which is this?
Banana.
Banana. Do you like the banana?
Yes.
Good. Put there. Now next is, what is this? What is it? Tell me.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Do you like the watermelon?
Yes.
Take it and eat it. Eat it. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
And put there.
And put here.
Do you like the fruits?
Yes.
Which one fruit do you like?
Apple.
Apple. Apple is your favorite fruit?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And next apple, next fruit? Other fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. You also like this?
Yes.
Good. Yummy, yummy.
Yes.
Okay, start. Yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy, tummy, tummy. Yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy, tummy, tummy. Say, strawberry.